Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy an iPhone this year, there is one phone that deserves your attention, iPhone 17. In my opinion, Apple has finally made the base iPhone so good that most people don't really need a Pro model anymore. Unless you are a professional photographer or someone who absolutely needs every premium feature, the iPhone 17 offers almost everything that matters in day-to-day use. Let's start with the display. The display is simply fantastic. It is bright, vibrant and smooth enough. Whether you are watching Netflix, scrolling Instagram, editing photos or just browsing the web, the experience feels premium. Honestly, while using this phone, it never feels like you are using Apple's entry-level iPhone. Performance is another area where the iPhone 17 shines. Everything feels incredibly smooth, apps launch instantly, multitasking is effortless, gaming is excellent, and iOS continues to be one of the most polished mobile operating systems. On top of that, Apple is known for providing software updates to many years. So this phone should stay fast and secure for a long time. Now let's talk about the battery life. Battery has genuinely impressed me. I am getting around 7 hours of screen on time with regular usage that includes social media, YouTube, web browsing, video editing, some photography and messaging. For most users, that's enough to comfortably get through an entire day without worrying about charging. Gameplay is smooth enough. You can play any game on this smartphone and that will play very smoothly because it comes with a 19 chipset, which is very powerful. And then there are the cameras. This is where Apple continues to lead. The photos look natural, videos are incredibly stable, colors are accurate and portrait shots come out beautifully. Actually, Apple is known for its stabilization and the quality comes out excellent. Whether you are capturing family moments, making reels or recording YouTube videos, the camera system performs brilliantly. I have made a dedicated camera video or camera review video. You can watch that video in the description below. Is there anything missing on iPhone 17? The answer is yes. Just one thing, there is no dedicated telephoto lens in the camera system. So if you are someone who frequently zooms in while taking photos, you will definitely miss that Pro models. But if you are like most users who mainly take portraits, landscapes, selfies and everyday photos, you will not probably miss this telephoto lens. That's exactly why I believe iPhone 17 is such a smart choice. It gives you almost complete iPhone experience without forcing you to spend Pro level money. Outdoor visibility of iPhone 17 is also excellent. It comes with 3000 nits of peak brightness, so you will get a very good legibility in outdoor condition. So if you are planning to buy iPhone 17 today, I would suggest you waiting a little bit longer. The Big Billion Days sale will definitely offer more discounts on iPhone 17. The expected price of iPhone 17 during Big Billion Days sale is 60 to 63,000 rupees. At that price point, I honestly think it becomes one of the best smartphone deals of the year. You get a premium display, flagship level performance, excellent battery life, outstanding cameras, years of software updates and apps trusted ecosystem, all at much more attractive price. So my advice is very simple. Don't rush your purchase. Wait for Big Billion Days sale, grab the iPhone 17 at the best discount and at the earliest opportunity when the sale starts, and enjoy one of the best value for money iPhones Apple has ever made. What do you think about iPhone 17? Is it enough for you or would you still choose Pro model? Let me know in the comment sections below, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.